All right, Nick, where are we headed?
Heading to Crux Fitness.
Yeah?
What are we about to do? We're gonna sit down.
Are we going to do nothing?
No.
So I'm supposed to upload a YouTube video for Wednesday. This is the video. Yeah, that's really about it, isn't it? Yeah. We're headed off to an old client of ours, Crux, who is a gym. And yeah, just go check in, see what's going on. We'll give you guys a bit of an update. And then later tonight, I'm going to go kind of face the camera and kind of give you guys the full update. And for those people that haven't, Nick.
What's up? What's up?
What's
Nick
your deal,
Lee. I am a f***ing awesome person.
Hey, you can't swear on YouTube. Now I got to...
Whoa, demonetized. Demonetized.
Now I
you can beep that out.
I'll beep it out.
You can beep it out.
Okay, so what's your deal?
I run a digital marketing agency, and we help business owners crush it and make some money and make the world a better place.
Yeah, something like that. Right?
Something like that.
Something like that. So yeah, we're gonna go hop in the Supra. I think our meeting's in about 45 minutes. Hit the wrong floor. So yeah, we'll catch you in the car.
Here we are with D1 and Supra and the pull-out gang.
Yeah.
Gang. We're about to pull out right now, actually. Show them how you pull out D1.
No, that's not allowed.
What does D1 say about the cold dip?
I'm not into cold dips. So yeah, this channel is not gonna be.
It's not about cold
yeah, this is not a biohacking channel. I ain't doing no cold dips. I'm not waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning on a Saturday. I'll go to bed at 6 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, but that is not happening.
But you're about that cold hard cash?
Sometimes. I like warm, soft cash better than cold cash.
Okay, you heard it here first. No cold dips, but cold hard cash.
Yep. All right, just got to Crux. I'm gonna give you guys the agency update after.
Computer? Now we come back to this.
Oh, dude. Thank you.
What's up, buddy? Stop.
What's up, man? How you guys doing?
Good, man.
Dude, long time no see,
No
man.
kidding. Working hard or hardly working?
What's this?
Come on.
Build it, right? The regular way to build on Trainerize, and that makes a lot of sense, with video.
All right. Fun catching up with the Crux boys. Definitely more to talk about there. These two are holding the fort down. What's up, Bubs? Jasper, what's going on? Ouch. You're a brat. So I'm going to settle in and get the new camera set up, and then we're going to have a bit of a conversation on what's going on. Super exciting. From e-commerce, the agency, new services. Yeah, there's definitely lots to talk about. So yeah, let me get set up, and then let's have a convo. All right, so home, new setup. I'm still kind of figuring this out, so you guys are going to have to bear with me. Ultimately, to give you guys sort of a picture where we're at right now, still have the agency, SEO and PPC, still primarily what we're doing. Let me turn this phone off here. Ultimately, we've transitioned to basically partnering with clients now. So I think we're up to 13 or 14 clients total. I'd say about half of them we're now in performance-based marketing relationships. So basically, we're taking a percentage of the sales that we're delivering. With that said, we are definitely crushing sort of the next 2-3 weeks, month onwards. I'll definitely be sharing you guys numbers. I think as of right now, like this month, we've generated about $600,000 US this month. That's across the partnerships that we have. So business is doing really well. Again, that's not the revenue that the agency is making. I just want to be super clear. But because we're in a performance-based marketing setup, if our clients are crushing, it means that we make a percentage of that too. The percentage is quite good, so we're doing well. The more exciting stuff on my end right now, we just exited our Kindle business. We've got another affiliate site that it will be going up onto Empire Flippers shortly, so I can talk a little bit about that. Hiring is insane right now, so we are I think we've got 5 positions that I'm filling right away. So let's just see: media buyer, social media manager, another person for SEO. Just hired a videographer. This is kind of what you guys will be seeing. I'm gonna have somebody following me around probably once every 2 weeks, as well as kind of picking up B-roll and photos from my Instagram. In the process of acquiring one company, can't quite say what it is yet, as the deal is not done. We're launching a secondary company within the Kindle publishing space, so that'll be super exciting. So ultimately, here's the thing. I know I've been kind of starting and stopping on the YouTube channel, and ultimately I didn't really have a vision for what I wanted to do here. I have no interest in being a guru. I don't necessarily know if I'll be doing any coaching or consulting anymore. Again, we're fully committed to partnership deals or acquisitions of businesses, scaling them and selling them. The entire framework for this channel is ultimately just going to be my life, hopefully inspiring other people to do the same thing, give you guys sort of the insight of what it actually takes to run a business. A lot of people you find on YouTube, you're landing into somebody's funnel, and I want to be transparent with what my funnel is. I'm a local Vancouver entrepreneur, and I really just want to build community here and throw wicked events, bring super like-minded people together into the city, and naturally I'm gonna get clients. Like, I'm not super worried about it. I don't have a sales page. There's no course for sale. I'm not gonna hard close you on consulting. Trust me, right now we have more leads coming in and more clients that want to work with us than I can keep up with, hence me hiring. So my promise to you guys is this will not be a channel of me just trying to hard close you into another course. I'm gonna try to be as transparent to you guys as possible, show you the ups and downs, and ultimately like what I'm going through right now. The hiring phase right now for me has been extremely challenging, to be completely honest with you guys. If everything goes good in the next 30 days, I'll be managing close to 18 staff, 17 or 18 staff across 4 different businesses, and we're just gonna keep the machine going. We've become really good at taking companies that are doing kind of $20,000, $30,000 a month and scaling them to 100 using either SEO or PPC or in combination. And I've sort of stepped back now and have moved into basically just a strategist and then sales basically. So it's gonna be an interesting journey. I'm really just in a transition period right now. I'm definitely burnt out. COVID was difficult for me, to be completely honest, especially being an extrovert. But this 3 months has kind of given me some time to sit down, really figure out what I want to do. Again, my 2 biggest core values: deep, meaningful relationships and creation daily. And this is gonna be sort of part of it. So I'm gonna wrap it up for now, guys. Videographer was hired as of yesterday, so he'll be coming on board hopefully next week. Media buyer should be by the end of the week. Social media manager I hired today. So all the team members are kind of coming in place to help me start pushing my personal brand forward. Hopefully add a ton of value for you guys. If you aren't already, follow me on Instagram. I'm super active there. I'm constantly on Instagram stories answering DMs. And then likewise, I'm gonna try to bring my Instagram community over to YouTube. Be a little bit patient. I know that the edit's not gonna be super amazing on this today. We've got a video editor that we're working on right now. So I'm really getting a production team behind my YouTube channel, just so I can consistently put out content and then do what I do best, which is basically talk and strategy. So overall, hopefully you guys had some fun today following us around. The content will definitely improve as we go. If you guys have any questions for me, send me a DM on Instagram. It's just at Dewan Bayney. I'd love to answer them, and that's just gonna give me fuel to start answering questions. I'm gonna be as open book as possible on what it's taking for us to build our agency and kind of the businesses. But ultimately, I'm sort of moving to more of a CEO and business owner than necessarily just being an internet marketer. It definitely is one aspect of business, and that was where I kind of got my roots coming up. But being an internet marketer doesn't talk about HR, doesn't talk about culture, finance, asset management, building a company. Just because you can be good at running Facebook ads or doing SEO or PPC does not mean that you're gonna eventually run a successful business. And I see a lot of people getting stuck in that like kind of 100 to 150, 200,000 range where they're wicked solopreneurs, but kind of scaling past that, it's really about building a business. And ultimately, I'm hoping that I can help those internet marketers that are sort of stuck in that range really go on to build a company where you've got team members that are smarter than you, that are executing on an amazing vision, and that you can go ahead and live your path and purpose. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, hit subscribe on the channel, and definitely looking forward to doing more of these.